Apply some Vaseline to the pot lid, and you'll never have to scrub it again. You'll be shocked at how clever this trick is. Grab a regular pot lid from your kitchen cabinet and squeeze a bit of toothpaste onto it. The toothpaste works mainly on the surface, thanks to its mild abrasives that loosen and remove dried-on grime. Rub it thoroughly along the edges of the lid. Meanwhile, pour some water into a pan and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. The baking soda makes the water more alkaline, which helps break down and dissolve grease, while also acting as a gentle scrub and neutralizing odors. Once the water starts boiling, cover the pan with the lid. If the lid isn't fully submerged, add more water and let it simmer for a few minutes. You'll see bits of dirt and grease floating to the surface, the kind that a sponge can't remove. Afterward, wash the lid as usual. It'll come out perfectly clean. But that's not all. Finish by rubbing a thin layer of Vaseline along the lid's edges. It creates a smooth, non-stick coating that prevents grime from building up and makes it much easier to keep clean later.